Hello everybody, let's continue with the second of the 3 tutorials on Illustrator for architects. Let's take a look at the pen, curvature and pencil tools. This you will find on the left vertical panel. The pen works very simple. It draws specific curves. You just select it and click on the locations you want the curve to be traced. After that, you can select the control points and adjust the curvature of each one of them. You can add, delete and change the behavior of these control points. And by pressing and holding Shift, you are able to draw in a straight orthogonal mode. On the properties panel above and on the right, you can change the thickness of the curves and also create a dash styles. And by using the eyedropper from the left panel, you can also take and copy the properties from other curves. The curvature tool does pretty much the same. The only difference is that you only draw curves and not straight lines. And the pencil tool follows the movement of the mouse, which may generate a lot of control points, but you can change that with the smooth tool. From the menu tab Object, Path Smooth, or by selecting it from inside the pencil tool. Then you will have a slider that you can use to control the smoothness. If you import a drawing with many control points, you can also simplify it by picking the Simplify tool located in the top menu, Object, Path, Simplify. If you close the curve or polyline, you will have a closed shape that you can also fill it with a color and even change the opacity. And again, by pressing and holding Shift, you are able to draw in orthogonal mode. The eraser tool is also located on the left vertical panel, and it's very easy to use. You just may click on it and go over the shapes you want to erase. And to change the size of it, you just go to the tool options on the right panel, and there you can modify the radius, the angle and the roundness. Pathfinder is located on the right side panel. With this tool, you can make shape operations such as addition, subtraction and difference. You can also get the line work of the results. Just look on the pictograms for the operations you need. And here's something important. When scaling, if you press Shift, then the scaling is regular. Otherwise, the scaling follows the movement of the mouse, getting a distorted shape. If you use Pathfinder operations to have a shape inside of another shape, like a hole, this would be taken as a compound. That means you are still able to perform changes and move the shapes independently without losing the compound relation. Textures. In the last video, we learned how to create a clipping mask and use it to generate a texture, but this is limited by the size of the background images. There is another way where you can create this texture with a fixed resolution, and I show you now. First, let's create a shape with a fill. Then go to Effects on the right, then pick from the gallery and effect. Let's do it now with noise, and make some adjustments to get a soft texture. Now I have an effect over a shape and I can enlarge the shape and the texture will keep its resolution. Later I could even make changes in the effect if I wanted to. Then, to apply a clipping mask to multiple shapes, first I need to make a compound out of them. In Object, Compound Path, Make. Once done, I pick the compound and the shape with the effect to create the clipping mask. And we have it, a fixed texture in a compound shape. Recolor Artwork. With this tool, you have total control over your color scheme. Let's assume you finish coloring your plants. Now you can select everything and go to Edit, Edit Colors, Recolor Artwork, and a window will open, showing you the actual color scheme. And here is where you can make changes on the whole color composition by rotating this color disc, or independently by picking each color. Or what I mostly do, I go to Advanced Options and a different window opens. Here, you can see all the colors I am using listed. And in the same way, I can replace the colors one by one. Then click OK to save the changes. Align. On the right panel, you see the Align Objects tool. If not, you can open this from the window menu. From here, you can select what kind of alignment do you want. Just select the shapes and click on the icon. If you pick Align to Object and select one shape, this will be taken as the reference for the alignment. You can even numerically specify a distance for the distribution. Dimension. This may be one of the coolest tools in Illustrator. If you are running out of time and you forgot some dimensions or you want to add some extra ones, just go and pick the dimension tool from the left side panel and specify with 2 points the distance and the position of it. You can also draw angular and radial dimensions. And in the tool options, you can also adjust the units, the scale and the precision. Yoo-hoo! That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, like it, share it and subscribe for more. Take care. Ciao, ciao.